It's the 15th, it's about 10 till 9, and we've got a blanket in the sky again. Frequency driven clouds. Sun's being blocked out. And it's pretty much been like this ever since. Super fog. We had one day after super fog of clear weather. And then the very next day, around 10 o'clock in the morning, they started spraying the skies, and we've had nothing but this ever since. And I don't know, man. Nobody seems to care that we're breathing in aluminum, barium, strontium, smart dust, nanotags. You want to look that stuff up. That's quite interesting. But the heavy metals alone, not good. Now, let me ask you a question. So you got these heavy metals that you're breathing into your body and that absorb into your bloodstream, and now you have heavy metals in your body. What happens when you are introduced to a resonant frequency, a wireless frequency? What happens? Or what could happen if you could hone that frequency in based on that person's DNA? What if you could tap into that? What if you tuned your frequency into the resonant frequency of that aluminum? What's going to happen? Especially if you use microwave frequencies, because that's what frequencies that it takes. And I'm here to tell you that your Wi-Fi runs on between 6 and or 2.4 and 6 gigahertz. That's at the very bottom of the spectrum of microwaves. The new 5G will operate up to 60 gigahertz. That's the absorption spectrum of the oxygen molecule. What happens when you lose oxygen? You lose voltage. You lose the ability to repair. You go into the acidic side, the heavy acidic side, and your cells become cancerous. Leave your comments.